Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars to ever hit the streets, the Toyota Supra A90. A car that brought back a legend after nearly 2 decades. Buckle up, because this is going to be an epic ride. Section 1, the Legacy A030, show clips, photos of the Kiev Supra, Fast Furious scenes. Narrator: the Supra name has been legendary since the 80s and 90s, but it was the A80 or Mk4 Supra A that made it a cultural icon. Thanks to its 2JZ engine and massive tuning potential, it became the dream car for many. But after 2002, it disappeared to broken bar until 2019. Section 2, the return of a legend. A120, show A90 reveal footage, car shows. Narrator: enter the A90. Launched in 2019, the fifth-generation Supra was co-developed with BMW and based on the Z4 platform. That stirred some controversy. But what Toyota delivered was a pure performance machine with cutting-edge tech and styling that turns heads. Section 3, under the hood. A210, engine shots, driving clips. Narrator: under the hood, the A90 packs a BMW-sourced 3.0 liters inline-6 turbo engine at the B58A, pushing out 382 horsepower and 368 pounds-feet of torque. 0 to 60? Just 3.9 seconds. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic, with the manual option added in later models. Section 4, design. Interior. 3 o'clock, exterior and interior shots. Narrator: the A90's design is bold and aggressive, with wide fenders, a double bubble roof, and a ducktail spoiler. Inside, it's all about driver focus, with premium materials, digital gauges, and BMW's iDrive infotainment system. Love it or hate it, it works. Section 5, performance on the road. A4 o'clock, track footage, mountain drives. Narrator: the Supra A90 handles like a dream. Thanks to its near 50-50 weight distribution, adaptive suspension, and active rear differential, it's sharp in the corners and stable at high speeds. Whether you're on a track or carving through mountain roads, it delivers. Section 6, community modding scene. A5 o'clock, clips of modded Supras, car meets. Narrator: and just like the A80, the A90 is